Welcome to the Imagine Center, a place of oneness. My name is Zara, and today we'll be talking about this beautiful green heart chakra crystal, Malachite. Malachite is the crystal you use when you're healing from relationship pain and you're moving into the love that you deserve. It's a very powerful heart chakra crystal, and it can be very confronting, almost like a therapist. But that's a good thing, because it lets you know what you've been doing wrong and what's been getting in the way in terms of self-sabotage. If you're pushing people away, attracting the wrong people, Malachite will lay it all out in front of you and for you. Similarly, as Malachite does bring up all that no longer serves you with your heart chakra, it also releases anything that's holding in all 7 of your chakras that needs to be cleared and healed. So it's a very powerful healing crystal as well. Malachite is also known as the stone of transformation because it helps you to get in alignment with your best and highest self, to reach your full potential and follow your dreams. I hope that this was informative, and now that you can use Malachite to help further manifest the love that you deserve. Thank you for choosing the Imagine Center, your spiritual oasis for the soul.